But what this really means for the Chinese economy is the following things. First, with respect to AI, this is a ton of training data. People's spending pattern is so much more valuable than their clicking pattern. That's obvious, right? Clicking doesn't necessarily mean you're committed. Paying definitely does. So getting everybody's payment is important. That's why Alibaba and Tencent, I think the companies still have room to grow. But it's not just their data. It's also data that if you have a chain of convenience stores, you're also collecting data, knowing more about your customers because they use mobile payment to pay you, so you have that track record, that record as well. So it's great for data, great for AI. It also will turn a savings economy to a spending economy because it's so easy to pay. It also brings huge efficiency because you don't have to take that credit card and swipe and do anything with it. Also, it's very advanced. I mean, one of the things I hate when I come to the US is when I use my credit card. They'll think because I suddenly appeared in a different country, there might be fraud. They'll call me and ask for my pet's name and what high school I went to, right? In China, actually, you know how it's done? When you use mobile pay, also triggers come up. So Alibaba and Tencent will say, oh, this might be someone who stole another person's phone. But what do? They actually don't harass me with questions. They say, please scan your face. And then I just scan my face, and they say, oh, that looks like Kai food. Order goes through. So you might say, what if I hold up a picture and do that? It doesn't work because they'll say, open your mouth, turn to the left, say this. So they've come up with ways. It's so much more convenient than remembering, what's my favorite sports or something like that.